Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a pattern design in Autodesk Inventor Sheetmetal, and we will learn how to construct these sort of patterns in Autodesk Inventor on a circular profile. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new. We'll take here a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here XY plane and here take the line command. Select this point, make a straight line, escape and go to line command once again. Make one more line here till this point. Escape, go to dimension, define the center to center distance of 25 and the height here of 75. Okay, now here escape, select this line, make it construction. Okay, now finish sketch. Here go to the counter roll, so this line will be selected, and for axis select this axis. I have previously made the part, so you can see the software is automatically selecting 359 degree. On 360 degree this will become close, so I have taken a 1 degree at minus side, so to make a gap here to open the sheet, press OK. Okay, now here I don't want a circular sheet here, so I'll unfold this. So go to unfold command. So here two planes are being created. On the flat face, select any of the plane. Now it will ask you which bends you want to open. Okay, you can select here the bend. If you have multiple bends, so just click add all bends. Okay, you can see the flat pattern and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now I'll rotate the profile. Okay, rotate it. Now here we will work. So here go to the line command, make one line here like this, and here we will make the pattern. Okay, or escape. You can just take a here, delete this also. From here take a polygon, make one polygon here, escape, go to horizontal constraint, select this point, sorry, the vertical constraint, select this point and select this. Okay, now go to line, make one line here and one line here, escape. Now here select this complete profile, delete this, select this profile, delete this, select this and select this, make them construction. Okay, now here go to line, make one joining line this and make one this joining line and escape. Now go to equal constraint, select this line. Okay, escape. Now we will delete this and delete this. Now go to equal constraint, select this line, select this line. Okay, now select this line and select this line. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Escape. Now we'll give the dimensions. Go to dimension, give this dimension as 2 mm. Okay, select this line, right click, click on aligned, this dimension 3.5, enter. Okay, now select this. From here this will be at a distance of 5 mm, and here select this. From top this will be at a distance of 2.5. Okay, now we are left with this point here. Escape. I'll drag this point, go to dimension, select this point, select this here, give distance 0.325 Okay, now select this line and select this point. Define this 0.2 and escape. We are defining this point to make it a consider as the center point for circular rotation. Okay, now we are done till here. Now go to the fillet, take fillet of 0.4, select this corner, select this corner, select this corner and select this corner. Okay, now escape. Okay, now I have only one profile. Now I want a pattern of this. So I'll go to the circular pattern, select this complete profile, go to axis. Now here the roll of point will be done. Select this point for axis. Here we want a count of 6 and press OK. Okay, so this pattern has been made. Without this point, we have to define the axis separately. So we have taken a point command. Now finish sketch. Here I'll take the cut command, select these profiles and press OK. Okay, and rotate this. This will look like this, a pattern of flower. Okay, now I want a pattern here and here. On the complete sheet, take rectangular pattern, select cut 1, direction 1, select this edge. Here the count will be of 8 and the center to center distance will be of 9.35. Okay, now here you can see a small gap is being left. Press OK. Right view, you can see a pattern here. Similarly, go to circular or rectangular pattern, select this pattern here. Okay, go to direction 1, select this edge. This time we have a huge pattern of count of 19 and the center to center distance of 8.3. Okay, so here, or you can take it as 18. Okay, 18 will work with us and press OK. Now here you can see the pattern. Okay, now we are going to refold this. Go to home view. Here click on refold. Okay, now select this plane. Okay, and for add bend you can just click here. Now you can see the folded part. Okay, just press here OK. Now this will be the final output. Okay, now from here we will give the appearance. You can take any. I'll take aluminum flat. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial how to construct a pattern on a cylindrical part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do it like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.